Good morning, KG2 students! Here is Miss Divine, your speaker for today. I hope you have a good sleep last night so that you will be having a good energy upon listening to this presentation. Enjoy! As we proceed, please don't forget the following objectives. So at the end of the presentation, students are able to first, differentiate flat and solid shape. Lastly, to solve the addition problem from 1 to 10. So from the previous weeks, we've been discussing about the addition problem. So this time, we're going to have some revisions. Can you still manage to solve the addition problem, my dear students? So to freshen that up, let's going to solve these two given problems in here. Okay, can we do it? So the first problem, I'm going to read it for you. Gabby has 5 cats and Tony has 4 cats. How many cats in all? So how are you going to solve that? You just need to add all together the two given numbers. What are the two given numbers? We have 5 and 4. So in each number, there's a representation pictures in here. So you just need to add all of them together. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the other one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count all them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. All right? Did you get it? Very good. So now let's proceed to the next problem. I'm going to read it for you again. Tom has 3 cars and Tony has 6 cars. How many cars in all? So the same thing you did in the first problem, let's just put all together the two given numbers. What is the first given number is 3. As you can see, there are 3 cars there, and the two given numbers is 6. So again, let's count them all together or put them together, the two numbers. So again, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write down 1, 2, 3. So that's the number 3, and then we're going to copy the plus sign. And then the second number is, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the second number is 6. Now we're going to count all together or put together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. Did you get it, my dear students? Very good. Thank you for helping me. This time, I want to challenge you. I want you to solve the two problems here. Okay, can you please bring your paper and pencil? Now, I'm going to read the first problem for you. And this time, you're going to listen attentively and write down the two given numbers and then solve it by yourself. Okay? First, Maya has 4 apples and Kat has 4 apples too. How many apples all in all? I'm going to give you a minute to do that. All right. So, who can give me the answer? Okay. So, the first given number is 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write number 4 here. 4. And then copy the plus sign. And the second given number is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 4s. So how many all in all? Let's put them together, count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Who got it correctly? Wow, very good. Thank you. Now, I want you to proceed to the next problem. Mark has 2 caps and Paul has 4 caps. How many caps in all? So let's add together the two given numbers. We have 2 and 5. Okay, can you do it on your own? I'm going to give you a minute to do it. Okay, are you done? So let's do it. The first given number is 2, right? 1, 2. So let's write it down. Copy the plus sign. And then the second number, given number, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 2 plus 5 equals, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. Who got it correctly? Very good. Thank you so much, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, now let's proceed to our main lesson. Okay, do you have any idea what would be our next lesson for today? Okay, I have given you here a hint, but you need to help me, okay? We are going to crack the code. If you noticed, there are some numbers below on the purple color. There are some numbers that represents letter, okay? So I have here a given puzzle which you are going to solve, okay, so that it will reveal us what would be our topic for today. Are you ready? We have here the numbers 2, 9, 1, 5, 3, 2. What do you think it means? Let's gonna find out. So the first number I should say is number 2. So what letter it represents? It's letter S. And then number 9, it is letter H. Oh my gosh, what do you think is this word? And the number 1, what letter it represents? It is letter A. A. And then number 5 is letter B. And then number 3, it is letter E. And the last number, it's number 2, which is letter S. Now, what is the word that has been formed? It is sh. Begins with sh. Apes will become shapes. Can we say it? Shapes. So let's gonna find out what shapes are we going to talk about this time, okay? So thank you for helping me to reveal our topic for today. This time we're going to focus on flat shape and solid shape. So what do you think is the difference between these two shapes? What do you think? Do you have any idea? What is flat shape and what is solid shape? We're going to find out. Flat shapes meaning to say they are just simply plain shapes with two dimensions which are called the length and the width. So what are the examples? We have first is circle, rectangle, triangle, square, hexagon, star, and pentagon. So these are the examples of flat shapes. Okay, can we say it again? Flat shape. They are just simply plain shapes. Now we're going to proceed to solid shapes. Solid shapes are more complicated than the flat shape. Flat shapes is just simply a common shapes, while in solid shape we have here it says it is a three-dimensional objects which include height, width, and the depth. So what are the examples? We have cube, and the second is cylinder, and the third is pyramid, and the fourth is sphere. And lastly, we have cuboid. So these are only some of the solid shapes. Okay, first I'm going to say it again. We have the first one is cube, cylinder, pyramid, sphere, cuboid. Can you say it with yourself? Okay, cube, again, cylinder, pyramid, sphere, and cuboid. Very good, KG2. Now we're going to have a simple exercise. You're just only going to identify whether it is a solid or a flat shape, okay? I'm going to flash a shape and then you're going to identify whether it is a solid or a flat shape. Are you ready? Okay. This shape, this object, is it solid or flat shape? Yes, it is solid shape. Next, the part head. Is it solid or flat shape? Yes, it is solid. Next, it's a clock. It's just a merely simple picture of a clock. Is it solid or flat? It is flat. It is a picture of a star. Solid or flat? Flat. And the last one is the Rubik's Cube. It is solid or flat? For sure, it's solid. You get it. Very good. Now it's an activity time. Are you ready for the activity? All right, so get ready for yourself. So again, I didn't prepare any worksheets. You're not going to use any paper or pencil. You just need to find something or an object inside your house that has a flat and solid shape. Okay? You need to go around inside your house and then find the things that are flat or solid shape. Then you're going to come back to me and tell something about those things. Okay, this is what we call a show and tell. I'm going to repeat. Find an object that has flat and solid shape, then tell something about it. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to go around in your house and then come back it to me. Okay, come back here to me and then you're going to explain what are those objects. If it is flat shape or solid shape, then describe it or tell something more about it. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening and thank you for cooperating. You did a great job. I love you all, my dear students, and see you again for the next session. Bye bye.